Welcome, members, to another episode of Heaven's Rain. We're coming to you from Palm Beach, Aruba at Christmas time. As you can see that beautiful tree behind me. This evening, we've decided to come to King Fred and Princess Diana's place. Now, it's a brand new restaurant here in Palm Beach, and we did interview the owners a couple of months ago before they opened. We promised we would come back and we would review the food. Now, we have had the breakfasts from Diana, which are absolutely scrumptious and amazing, but we've never had the dinners from King Fred. So this evening we're going to be ordering 2 appetizers and 3 main courses, and we'll let you know how they are. Hey guys, we just got our appetizers. So as you can see, this is the mustard soup. It looks delicious. And this is called the OG chicken. It's pretty big for an appetizer, so they have really, really good portions. And the appetizers are, the soup is $9 and the appetizers are $10. Not bad. So now the true test is the tasting of it. So I'm gonna start with the mustard soup. I don't like mustard a lot. My husband ordered this, but I have to taste it. Let's see. That's really good. That really is good. It's mellow. It's creamy. It's warm. I could actually see eating this on a warm night in New Jersey. Honey, you want to taste it? I mean, it is your soup. I mean, you want to eat it, not just taste it.
Very good.
You like it?
Very good.
All right, so now we're going to the OG chicken. It has like a brioche toasted bread, cream sauce, scallions, and chicken. All right, here we go. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything on my fork. I don't know if you can see it's nicely toasted. Wow. Oh, it's very pleasing to the palate. It's soft, almost like a comfort food. No one flavor in this food is overpowering the other, which I like. So, like I said, it has the scallions. It's got this creamy cheese sauce. The chicken is cooked to perfection. It's literally melting in my mouth. Very good. Very, very good. So, those are the 2 appetizers we ordered. I'm gonna finish this, and we're gonna get back to you when we get our main course. All right, guys, our main course came. First, we have the Italian chicken pot pie, which is right here. Then we have the chicken croûte. I think I said that right. And then we have the Indian chicken marsala. Was that correct, honey?
That is correct.
Indian chicken marsala. That's the one my husband ordered. All right, guys, I'm gonna start with the Italian chicken pot pie, which I've actually never heard of. I am half Italian. If you don't know, I'm also half Dutch. Nobody ever believes me, but I am. All right, so I'm gonna dig into this chicken Italian pot pie. It's got like a mushroom, potato, the puff pastry, and I can't get it all on the fork, so I'm just gonna try a little bit at a time. Oh wow, it's really good. Now I have a thing for anything flaky and crusty, so I'm gonna get some of that into the juice. A little piece of chicken. I gotta take another bite before I go to the other two. I just have to. This is really decadent, but it's also just reminds me of the most wonderful comfort food here. Okay, the bite I took was a little too big, but it was excellent. Now I'm gonna go to the chicken croup. It's got prosciutto, chicken, and I am digging in. Of course, it comes with another puff pastry. And more potatoes. You know, because of you guys, I ordered so much food. I'm not gonna be eating all of this tonight. Well, maybe at midnight I might want a snack. Shooting a look at my husband right now, like, don't say anything. Wait, I gotta get a piece of prosciutto. Yeah. Divine. I mean, as you guys know, my handle on YouTube is Aruba Fitness Girl. I better be if I eat like this. Alright, I'm gonna steal a little off my husband's plate now. Bring it over, bring it over. So, this curry chicken marsala is actually on a Dutch pancake. Potato and chicken, and it's got green beans. I gotta get a piece of this Dutch pancake. Dutch pancakes are my absolute favorite. See all that? See all the layers in there? Alright guys, I just tried 2 appetizers and 3 entrees actually, not 2 but 3. I'm not disappointed in any of them. If anything, the food is like having the best grandma who can cook for her family, and everybody just wants to sit down and devour her food. That is exactly how I feel here. I just want to devour all this food. It just is warm and comforting. No flavor is overpowering another. You can taste it all come together. So guys, you gotta try King Fred and Princess Diana's. You won't be disappointed. And when you do, leave us a comment. Let us know what you thought and what you thought of the place. And the owners are always here. Say hi to them and let them know that you saw this episode and that's what kind of made you decide to come here and have breakfast or dinner. And then enjoy the rooftop. Have a couple of drinks with your friends or your family, whoever you're here in Aruba with. If you liked this episode, please hit the like button. Subscribe so you never miss an episode and you'll get notifications. We really want to thank you for joining us today, and please look forward to more of this. God bless you always. Oh, one last thing. I forgot to mention. They have a make your own ice cream bar. I mean, seriously? Make your own ice cream bar? Yeah. I'm gonna hit that, but I'm not doing it on camera. I don't need any witnesses. Okay, side note. Don't tell anybody I said this, but my absolute favorite is the Italian chicken pot pie. I didn't think it was gonna be, but it is!